Dear students, today we will discuss the frontier methods for the electrocyclic reaction. To explaining electrocyclic reaction, this is the very simple method is used, that is the frontier molecular orbital methods. Electrocyclic reaction is analyzed by higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay, already we have known how to draw the molecular orbitals, and by drawing these molecular orbitals we can find out higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay, stereochemistry is also determined by these higher occupied the molecular orbital, that is HOMO of the open chain. Okay, always in FMO approach we will use higher occupied molecular orbitals of the open chain partner. For thermal condition, HOMO is occupied, is we consider as a ground state, and for photochemical condition, HOMO is always first excited state, because in thermal condition no excitation of electron is there. Therefore, for thermal condition we consider the HOMO as higher occupied molecular orbitals which is present at the ground state. Okay, now symmetry in higher occupied molecular orbital. If symmetry is a mirror plane of symmetry, then mode of rotation should be disrotation, and if C2 symmetry is there, then mode of rotation should be conrotation. Okay, already we have discussed that the basic things, that is for any electrocyclic reaction there are two conrotatory and two disrotatory mode of ring opening and ring closing is there, whether it may use same or different product. Okay, for studying FMO approach we have one example, that is conversion of 1,3-butadiene into cyclobutene. Okay, as far we have discussed that in FMO approach we always consider the open chain compound. Okay, in FMO approach we consider the open chain compound. Okay, in this case this 1,3-butadiene is open chain compound. Okay, therefore we already know that how to draw this diagram, molecular orbitals diagrams, already we have discussed it. Now we will discuss the thermal induced cyclization. Firstly we will discuss the thermal induced cyclization. Okay, firstly we will draw this our starting material which give the, okay, 1,3-cyclobutadiene gives the cyclobutene, and for FMO approach we have to consider the this open chain orbitals. Okay, already we have driven the orbitals. Okay, no need to draw the orbitals. Okay, we have known that how many bonding molecule orbital for this is psi1, psi2, anti-bonding is psi3 star and psi4 star. Okay, therefore we can write here psi1, psi2, psi3 star and psi4 star. Okay, therefore node is 0, 1, 2 and 3, and if our reaction is the thermally induced reaction, therefore no excitation of electrons is there. Okay, only like that way. For thermal, no excitation of electron. Okay, for photochemical reaction there is a excitation of electrons takes place like that. Okay, therefore firstly we have considered as the thermally induced cyclization. Okay, now for thermally induced cyclization, this is the our two electron is there, therefore it is a higher occupied molecular orbitals for thermal condition. For photochemical condition, this is the okay, one electron and or two electrons in a orbital is considered as the occupied molecular orbital. Okay, this is higher occupied molecular orbital for photochemical reaction, and thermal reaction. Psi2 is the higher occupied molecular orbitals. Correct. All right. Now, for thermal condition, we have to draw the higher occupied molecule. Firstly, we take the open chain compound and find out the higher occupied molecular orbitals. Okay, in this case, for thermal condition, Psi2 is the higher occupied molecular orbital. Okay, therefore, for Psi2, there is the one node is there. Symmetrically, we have given the node at this place. Okay, therefore, positive, positive, then node negative, negative. Okay, like that way, you can draw these orbitals. Okay, firstly, we will do the con-rotatory closing of open chain compound. During the con-rotation, okay, these orbitals will move like that. Okay, that orbitals move like that. Okay, this orbital and this also move in this direction. Okay, so this move in this. Okay, this orbital moves like that direction. This rotation of the orbital same direction. Whether it is same the clockwise direction moves, both orbital moves clockwise direction, or whether it is moved to the anti-clockwise direction, that is called as the con-rotatory closing. During this closing, the positive orbitals will come at that position. Okay, positive will come at that position. Okay, this will positive will come at this position, and this positive will move at that direction. Okay, therefore in this positive will be came there. Okay, therefore in our product, positive orbital will combine with the positive orbital. Okay, this is called as the symmetrically allowed combination. Okay, to make it a symmetrically allowed combination. Okay, second way, the dis-rotatory closing. Second way is the dis-rotatory closing. Okay, during the dis-rotatory closing, okay, dis-rotatory closing means your orbitals, okay, these orbitals move in opposite. First move like that, and second orbitals moves in opposite direction. Okay, during this direction, first it move, a positive charge will come at that position, and this will move, negative charge will at that position. Okay, therefore you will obtain the positive and the negative one. Okay, in this case, these orbitals, when you see these orbitals, you can find that there is a C2 symmetry. When C2 symmetry is there, we have already learned this one of the chart. Okay, when C2 symmetry is there, the mode of rotation should be con rotation. Okay, okay, for this to find out this, we have taken that example. In this case, C2 symmetry is there. Okay, therefore this is the symmetrically forbidden. Okay, this rotation is the symmetrically forbidden rotation. Okay, from this we have derived a conclusion, that is the 4Q system thermally con-rotatory closing is symmetrically allowed. Symmetrically allowed. But 4Q system thermally dis-rotatory closing is symmetrically forbidden. Okay, like that. Now for photochemical reaction, for photochemical induced cyclization. Okay, whether it is con-rotatory allowed or dis-rotatory allowed, we can find out by using the FEM approach. Okay, in this case, for photochemical reaction, if one of the electron get excited to the psi3 star level, therefore that is the excited level. Therefore, this is the higher occupied molecular orbital for photochemically reaction. Therefore, we have to write first the our psi3 is the psi3 star is the higher occupied molecular orbital for the photochemical reaction. Okay, in this case we have to draw the diagram. First the orbitals we have driven. Okay, therefore there are two node is there because psi 3 minus 1, there are two nodes is there. There are positive negative node is there, therefore it changes the sign, positive negative, no node no change sign. Okay, in this case negative positive positive negative, and node is there, in this case node is there, therefore positive and the negative. Okay, your this is the mirror plane symmetry. Okay, mirror plane symmetry means that it is a this rotatory allowed. Okay, therefore firstly we will rotate the con rotatory closing. Okay, firstly we will try the con rotatory closing. Okay, during the con rotatory closing, your orbitals move the same direction. Okay, your orbital, first orbital, this orbital move in this direction, and this orbital move the in this direction. That is the con rotatory closing. During this closing, positive, this positive, okay, this positive will come at that, okay, this positive will come at here, and this positive will uh, this negative will come at here. Okay, therefore negative, therefore in product you will find that the positive negative and the negative positive, this is the symmetrically forbidden. Okay, this is the symmetrically forbidden rotation. Okay, con rotation is symmetrically forbidden. Second way, there is a disrotatory closing. Disrotatory closing. Okay, during this disrotatory closing, first disrotation means the first orbital moves that direction, and this second orbital moves the opposite direction. Okay, during this rotation, this move this direction, there is a positive, and this move this direction, there is a positive. Okay, therefore in the product, positive is combined with the positive. Okay, this is the symmetrically allowed. This condition is the symmetrically allowed rotation. Okay, therefore we can conclude that the 4Q system photochemically disrotatory closing or opening is symmetrically allowed. Symmetrically allowed. Correct? Then second example, 135 cyclohexatriene. Okay, this is open chain. You will obtain the product. You obtain the product. Okay, in this case also there is the 3 pi bonds. Okay, 3 pi bonds is there. 6 electron system. That means it is 4Q plus 2 system, and therefore 3 pi bond is there. Therefore there should be psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4 star, psi 5 star, and psi 6 star. Okay, therefore we can, okay, no need to draw the diagrams, only just write down the psi 2, psi 1, psi 2, psi 3, psi 4 star, psi 5 star, and psi 6 star. Okay, therefore number of node is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and if first is if thermally induced closing, then electrons, 6 electrons, there is no excitation of electrons. Okay, this is the thermally induced closing. Okay, second is the photochemically. Okay, second is the photochemically induced cyclization. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. Two electrons, and one of the electron from third to get excitation. Okay, for thermal condition, psi 3 is a HOMO, and for photochemically, psi 4 star is the our HOMO. Okay, hierophobite. Okay, this first, if thermal closing of ring or thermal induced closing, then for this psi 3 is our psi 3 is your higher occupied molecular orbital. Therefore we have to give the node is the 2, we have to give the node like that, positive positive, then negative negative, positive positive, negative negative, positive positive, negative, and the negative. Okay, in this case, system is a 4q plus 2, and this is the mirror plane of symmetry. Okay, therefore there should be this rotatory closing is allowed. Okay, already we can by observing the symmetry we can predict that. Okay, therefore this rotatory closing thermal reaction. Okay, during this, okay, that point when you, in this case, when it is this rotatory closing, like that it moves like that, that is this rotation opposite direction move. Okay, therefore positive will combine with positive, negative negative. Therefore in this case it is a symmetrically allowed combination. Okay, symmetrically allowed rotation. But when it rotates, con rotation is there, thermally con rotation, then you can find that there is positive and the negative combined. Therefore this is the symmetrically forbidden. Okay, see, con rotation symmetrically forbidden. Okay, therefore we can draw a conclusion that is a 4q plus 2 system. If thermal condition is there, then this rotatory opening or closing symmetrically allowed. Okay, and there is a mirror plane of symmetry is there, correct? And 4q plus 2 system thermally con rotatory closing is symmetrically forbidden. Okay, similarly you can find out the for photochemically for photochemical reaction. Okay, this is all about the FMO approach. This is very easy, and in today's lecture we have discussed it briefly. Thank you very much.